Namaste everyone. My name is Yoshita and today's video is about a deep hamstring stretches while using a chair and blocks to enhance your practice. So make sure that you have done a good hamstring warm up before doing these 5 stretches. So follow along with me. So the first one, you're going to keep a chair in front of you and then take your leg 90-degree on the handle of the chair. Make sure that your knee is straight and your ankle is flexed up. Then raise your hands up. Hold the edge of the chair handle and slowly push your elbows down and lengthen your torso. Keep pushing your body forward and stay there for 5. Maintain both the knees straight. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bend your knee and push it to the chair. And then we will switch the sides. So take your left leg up 90-degree on the chair edge, then hold the handle, inhale and then exhale. Slowly push your elbows down and lengthen your torso. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back, then bend your knee and slowly come back to the center. Okay, so now second is the kneeling stretch. It's just similar like the first, but this time the lever will be lower. So you have to take your leg 90-degree up on the edge of the chair and slowly you have to push your elbows down and keep lengthening your spine. And now if possible, drop your palms on the floor and keep pushing your elbows down. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then slowly come up. Now bend your knee and gently relax your leg back. And then we will switch the sides. So slowly take your left leg up on the edge of the chair. Then inhale, open up your chest. And then exhale, slowly push your chest down and walk your palms on the floor. Keep lengthening your torso for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then gently come up, bend your front knee and slowly back to the center. So now for the third stretch, you have to slowly come in a low lunge position, but your back knee should be on the edge of the chair. And then you're going to gently come up, hold the back ankle and then push your heel towards your hip as much as you can. And then stay there for 5. Keep opening up your chest. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then slowly relax. And then we will switch the sides. So bring your right leg forward and the left leg back on the edge of the chair. And now slowly you're going to grab your left ankle and pull the heel closer to your hip. And stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then gently release and come back to the center. Okay, so for the next one, you're going to use one block and put the front ankle on the edge of the block. So slowly make sure it's 75-degree and not in the center. Okay, then put your feet on the edge of the block and then slowly try to open like a split. And just stay there. Keep pushing your hips down. And once you reach there, raise your arms up and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then come back to the center. Inhale and then exhale. Then we will switch the sides. Make sure your block is 75-degree to the side. Then slowly bring your left leg up on the block and then gently you're going to slide your leg to 75-degree out. Push your hips up and down and then stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then back to the center. Inhale and then exhale. Now slowly we will go for the next one. You can either use 2 blocks or 1 block depending on your flexibility. So slowly you're going to place your right leg on the edge of the block. Be careful. And then once you fix your leg, slowly slide your back leg as back as possible. And then raise your hands up and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly back to the center. Inhale, back bend. And then exhale. Okay, so now we will switch the sides. So bring your left leg in the front. Keep your ankle on the left block. And slowly slide your leg front. Then raise your hands up and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come back to the center. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale and relax. So this is it for the 5 deep stretchings for your hamstrings. Make sure that you're already in the practice of yoga and do a good warm-up before trying these stretches. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Namaste.